on my eyebrows before I started this, but in this whole thing I'm using one palette, just this ColourPop palette, and I'm starting with the orange shade Hard in my crease. Next I'm going on the lid with the shade Nip Slip. Have you ever had a nip slip? Those things just suck. Let's be honest. Let's be real here. Okay, now I'm going into my crease with the orange shade Hard. Oh, did I say I used that in the first place? Okay, the first color I used was actually Send Noodles. Now I'm using Hard. That is going all over the crease. And then, because we're just really trying to make this as orange and golden as we possibly can, I'm going in with a more red color. And this color is called Extracurricular. Okay, now going in with a deep brown shade, and it is called Keep It PG, Kids. Now I'm just blending all the harsh lines, nothing fancy, just being as messy as I possibly can be. Okay, spraying my brush with a little bit of setting spray, and I'm going in with the shade Nekkid all over my lid. And you're actually going to see me kind of go back and forth with two different brushes here. Oh, yep, there we go. I'm going in with that same deep dark brown shade just to buff everything out, blend it out. Now in the corner of my eye, I'm just going in with the shade Locked and Loaded, and finally lining my eyes with some black eyeliner. And then off camera, I went ahead and put on some fake lashes. Now I'm using the NARS oil-free primer, just putting that all over my face. Okay, now I'm going in with this Wet n Wild foundation. A bunch of these YouTubers were raving about it, so I decided to go out and buy it. TBH, gonna be my new go-to foundation, I think. I always have a really hard time finding a color that isn't too tan for my skin tone, because I have really fair skin. And I felt like this one did a pretty good job, so let me know what you guys think, whether or not it's too light or too dark for me, but I thought it did a pretty good job. Now going in with the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, and I'm pretty sure this is the lightest shade. Now going in with some Rimmel Stay Matte powder all over my face. I'm using it in the shade Transparent. It was super affordable. I actually picked it up at Walmart, and I want to say it was less than $5, so definitely a good product. Gonna probably go out and get it again. Now going in with a ColourPop bronzer. If you guys watched my ColourPop haul, this is the bronzer that I got in that haul. But I want to say it's in the shade Afternoon Delight. I'm just warming up my face, dragging that all across my chin and whatnot, just to make sure my makeup blends in with the rest of my body. I always bring my bronzer across my nose. In the summer when I get sunburnt, I always get sunburnt right on the bridge of my nose, and I just like that tanned naturally tanned look on my nose. So that's usually what I'm doing when I'm putting it on my nose. Okay, now I'm going in with blush. Again, it's from ColourPop. This is in the shade Weirdo, and once again, if you watched my haul, the ColourPop haul, then this is a product that I got in it. And now I'm going in with a ColourPop highlighter. I don't really know what shade this is, but I'll make sure to put it in the description down below. I'm just highlighting and glowing up my face everywhere where the light naturally hits it. Okay, now I'm probably going in the same order that I did on the eyes, but I'm just trying to put a little definition to that lower lash line. So I first started with the orange shade Hard, and then I went in with that red shade Extracurricular on the outer third of my eye, and then finally went in with the deep brown, which was Keep It PG, kind of in the same place that I did for the upper eyelid. And then finally going in with the shade Locked and Loaded on the very inner corner of my eye, pretty much in the same manner that I did for the eyelid. And then just connecting my real lashes to the fake ones with some mascara. I think this is the CoverGirl Peacock mascara. It's like Peacock Spread or something. I don't know. Now I'm going in with the Kylie lip liner, and this is in the shade Dolce K. Oh nope, I own one other one. I own two Kylie lip liners. You think I would know the names of them by now, but I don't. Okay, for some reason I thought it would be a good idea to go in with some bronzer over the top of that lip liner. If you guys enjoyed this, subscribe if you're not already to my channel and give this a big thumbs up. And let me know in the comments below if you tried out this look.